In this video we're going to be talking about the top 5 digital pianos, so get comfortable and let's dive in. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're a beginner looking for a digital piano that has it all, the Alesis Virtue is the perfect choice. With 88 full-sized velocity-sensitive keys and adjustable touch response, you'll feel like you're playing on a grand piano. The piano comes with 3 pedals, an easy-to-assemble wooden stand, and an adjustable piano bench for added convenience. But it's not just about the hardware. The Alesis Virtue also delivers outstanding sound quality with its 360 built-in premium voices. You can even split or layer 2 voices simultaneously for a truly unique experience. With 30-watt stereo speakers and a maximum polyphony of 128 notes, you'll enjoy realistic sound and playability. Whether you want to compose your own music or learn from existing songs, the Alesis Virtue has got you covered. It features a one-touch song mode with 160 built-in accompaniment styles and 80 demo songs. You can even record your performances and listen back later to track your progress. The Alesis Virtue is not just a piano, it's also a powerful learning tool. It offers a lesson mode that divides the keyboard into 2 sections with the same pitch and voice, making it easier for beginners to follow along. The built-in metronome helps you improve your timing, and the backlit LCD screen displays chord names and notation clearly. To top it all off, the Alesis Virtue comes with a special bonus, a 3-month premium subscription to Skoove. With Skoove's expert interactive online piano lessons, you can start learning and improving your piano skills right away. Overall, the Alesis Virtue is an exceptional digital piano that provides everything you need to kickstart your musical journey. With its superior sound quality, educational features, and included Skoove subscription, you'll be playing like a pro in no time. If you're a beginner looking for a full-size digital piano that closely mimics the touch and feel of an acoustic piano, then the Donner DDP-80 is the perfect choice for you. With its 88-key full-weighted keyboard, this piano accurately captures the strength of your fingers and provides a grand piano touch that's ideal for teaching and learning. The advanced French Dream sound source delivers a powerful and realistic auditory experience, with a maximum polyphony of 128 and a triple pedal that helps you express your emotions while playing. The DDP-80 features 2 stereo surround speakers with a maximum power of 25 W each, ensuring perfect sound quality and a stereo surround effect. Plus, you can easily practice without disturbing others thanks to the headphone mode. The piano also boasts a beautiful wood finish color, making it a stylish addition to any room in your house. With its strong compatibility, you can connect the DDP-80 to teaching apps on your iPad or mobile phone for self-study, composition, or teaching purposes. Additionally, you can connect it to music editing software on your PC for internal records. The DDP-80 comes with an adapter that has input AC of 100V 240V and output DC of 12.3A. Assembling this piano is quick and easy, and its overall size, including sheet music stand and legs, is 136 by 36.5 by 86 centimeters. Experience the power and versatility of the Donner DDP-80 digital piano. If you're looking for a versatile and feature-packed keyboard piano, the Rock Jam 761 is definitely worth considering. With 61 full-size keys, it offers a traditional piano feel without compromising on portability. Whether you prefer to power it with mains or batteries, this keyboard piano is ready to go wherever your music takes you. The touch display panel not only provides feedback but also allows you to explore the wide range of 200 rhythms, 200 tones, and 30 demo songs. For those who like to experiment with sound, the record and playback functionality allows you to create layers, and the MIDI output lets you integrate seamlessly with digital audio workstations. The sturdy and adjustable keyboard stand ensures that players of all ages can find a comfortable position to play. And with the inclusion of a padded seat, you can enjoy hours of playing without discomfort. Get ready to unleash your musical creativity with the Rock Jam 761 Keyboard Piano Super Kit. When it comes to premium digital stage pianos, the Roland RD2000 is in a league of its own. This 88-key beauty is perfect for professional musicians and serious enthusiasts alike. With its weighted hammer action keyboard, the RD2000 provides an authentic playing experience that will make you feel like you're sitting at a grand piano. The piano itself is a work of art, measuring 55 5/8 inches wide and weighing just under 48 pounds. Its sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to any stage or studio setup. The RD2000 features not one, but two independent sound engines, giving you a wide range of tones and effects to choose from. Whether you're playing classical compositions or rocking out with some electric piano sounds, this stage piano has got you covered. With its advanced controller features, including 8 knobs and 9 sliders, you have complete control over your sounds and effects in real time. The PHA-50 keyboard combines hybrid wood and molded construction for a premium touch that will withstand years of use. Plus, with its fully assignable zones, you can easily combine internal sounds with external sources for endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for an exceptional digital stage piano that delivers on performance and durability, look no further than the Roland RD2000. If you are in search of a top-notch digital piano, the Yamaha P125 is definitely worth considering. With 88 full-sized piano-style keys that are fully weighted, this digital piano offers an authentic playing experience that mimics that of an acoustic piano. The GHS weighted action adds realism to your playing, with heavier keys in the low end and lighter keys in the high end. The Pure CF sound engine ensures that the tone produced by this digital piano is faithful to that of the acclaimed Yamaha 9-foot Fias Concert Grand Piano. One standout feature of the Yamaha P125 is the split mode, which allows you to play a different voice with each hand, adding depth and versatility to your performance. Additionally, the USB to host connectivity with MIDI and audio transfer simplifies the process of connecting to music-making software. All you need is one cable. Included with this piano are a power supply and a sustain pedal, ensuring you have everything you need to start playing right away. With its impeccable sound quality and realistic key action, the Yamaha P125 is a fantastic choice for both beginner and advanced pianists alike. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.